Booyah traders, SMCI supercomputer. Yes, it's down $82 at the moment, hitting 535. You can see it. We told everybody that the chip sector and there was going to be issues. This is one of our favorites, but we had to go short, and we're still short. And the stock missed their earnings, and that isn't going to bode well for the chip sector. And with the sell off that we had on Monday, we can clearly see, traders, that the downside will remain and that valuations will come into play, and you will sign up for the free 5-day trial. We work together as the number one team when it comes to building stock option positions. Join us. We invite you. We appreciate you. We want to make you money. We want to do it all for you.